Go.
All right, guys. So I got something I really want to share with you. It's going to be very cool. I had a person send me this box in the mail. He's a ham radio guy.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it. This guy's call sign.
Mama, Grandma, not show that.
It's okay. It's okay. We're good. We're good. Hey.
What?
So this is Kai's first video. All right. So he has a little stage fright.
I want to touch it.
All right. So Kai,
What?
this box came from a guy in Ferndale, Michigan. Okay. His call sign is W8KAQ. He saw me on YouTube with your sister. Okay. And he thought, hey, I need to send these guys something cool to show on YouTube. So he has this box. This box is full of parts from his grandpa. Okay? His grandpa died in 1980 and gave this guy, his name is Robert, gave him this box of parts 38 years ago. He hasn't opened them. He sent them to us. Yeah, he sent them to us so that we can open it and share it with everybody on YouTube. So Kai, I'm going to open this box.
Okay.
This is sharp, okay?
Not start it, okay?
Yeah, okay, so I'm opening up the box.
Not start it, Grandma.
Okay, hold on. So we're doing good, Now, I got to warn you. This is old, okay? Okay, now I'm going to let Emmy dump the box into the tray, and then
I want
you
to
want to help?
Okay.
Okay. All right, here we go. So Kai, here you go.
Ready?
Grab the box. Dump it. Dump it in here.
Dump it.
Dump it.
Whoa.
Yeah. All right. Here, I'm gonna get that out of the way. So what do we got, guys? Go ahead, Kai.
Okay.
Take a look.
Some wiring. Where's
Chessie,
this go?
come here. Look.
This. Some wiring. Where's this go? Wiring. Where's this, Grandpa?
That's a switch. So see, you can turn this. Turn that.
Okay.
Yeah, you can play with that. Go ahead and take it out, Em. Yeah.
Let's start it, okay?
Hey, Emmy.
Oh,
Hey, Emmy.
no.
Guess what? There was a
that's
Ziploc
started.
thing. What'd you say?
It stinks.
Well, it's old stuff. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is, I'm guessing, a speaker.
Oh, Kai.
What's that?
That's an antenna. Look.
Whoa.
Yeah. You can pull that up. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's cool.
We got a new baby.
Oh, yeah.
Grandma, look.
I see.
It's pretty wild, huh?
Nice.
So, I mean, those are speaker grills from like a car stereo.
Grandma, what's this?
That is a microphone cable, right? So you can stretch it like this. Stretch it. Go ahead. Yeah.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Oh, what's
Now
that?
that's the holy grail, man.
Capacitor.
The capacitor. Excellent word. Did you make that up?
No, you.
Yeah. So
Capacitor.
look at here.
Grandma,
Oh,
this
yeah.
capacitor.
Yep. And you know what's good with capacitors?
Where's this go?
That goes up in a rocket ship and it goes to Mars.
Oh,
Yeah.
Grandpa, this is going to inside a ship.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going to go on a spaceship. Yeah. You know,
this?
Emmy, do you know what's good on capacitors? Butter. So,
Bird brain.
yeah, thanks, buddy.
Bird brain.
Yeah, thanks. So, what's really cool, this is a Coax Switch. So you can hook up antennas to this jobber. Okay? So this is a very nice piece. These are kind of sought after. Oh, look. Look at here. Here is the guy's Qsl card.
Let's see.
Yeah, and yeah, it's very cool.
Oh my goodness.
But Kai takes it away. Okay. Whoa. We gotta show people this. Hold on. So if you look at the back, it says to N6TLU, Terry, right there. And here's his call sign once again. Very cool. All right, what else we got here, guys?
Oh, this is new.
A fuse. Yeah. Do you know how they test fuses, Emmy? They put voltage on and they blow, and they say, well, I think that blew at 1 amp. I'm not sure. Get another one. Okay. What else we got?
I need drill.
Hey, Kai. You know what this is?
Yeah.
That's another capacitor. Yeah.
It's the capacitor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Great. That was awesome.
So isn't this cool, guys, that somebody would take the time and spend the money to send us a box of these gizmos that we can play with online?
No, not.
What?
Not.
Okay.
Not shoot it.
All right.
Grandma, not shoot it.
Say goodbye, Kai.
Yep. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you very much for the cool box, guys, and I hope everybody enjoyed the revealing of the mystery box at
Grandma's house.
Yeah, Grandma's house. Yeah, not Grandpa's house.
Yeah,
Grandma's house.